Men, unfortunately, do not always understand a very simple truth. The woman, when she loves, is intentionally reciprocal. Female nature is like an echo, an emotional reflection. Let's observe man's attitude towards us on an intuitive and energetic level. His words, his action, his attention, and if these match each other. And then just we give it back. What goes around comes around. Sometimes like tenderness, care, peace, and a home to rest from the world. Other times like coldness, distance, and closed door. Forever, because a woman is not a grudge, it's not vindictive. It's a mirror, and it reflects exactly what you have put into it. Do you want to garden? Take care of it. Do you want to love? Love her. Do you want to loyalty? Be worthy of trust. If you have a calm, warm, loyal and loving woman by your side, it's not a coincidence. It is the result of your actions. And if next to you there is coldness and emptiness, it's not a coincidence. Either you are a reflection of what you saw. Look at your woman and you will see who you are really. Or because she is your mirror.